हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एसिड रेन के बारे में। व्हाट इज एसिड रेन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एसिड रेन, सम इक्वेशन अबाउट द एसिड रेन एंड हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ एसिड रेन। सो शुरू करते हैं। व्हाट इज एसिड रेन? द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ एसिड इन द रेन, दैट इज एसिड रेन, and its pH value is less than 5.6. Yes, the pH value of normal water, means distilled water, is 7, but if it is acidic, means in case of in acid rain, the pH value is less than 5.6. Okay, then it is called acid rain. Any kind of precipitation like rain, snow, dew, which is acidic than normal, then it is called acid rain. Okay, now in the acid rain there is a generally mixture of sulfuric acid, means H2SO4, sulfurous acid H2SO3, nitric acid along with nitrous acid. These are the acids, okay, are responsible for acid rain. Now the causes. What is the cause of formation of acid rain? It is caused by human activities, okay, by burning fossil fuels, okay, that release oxides of nitrogen and sulfurs, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur in the atmosphere, and those oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen actually come to close to water vapor and form acids. Okay, when the oxides of sulfur contact with water vapor, that time it forms H2SO4 and H2SO3, means sulfurous acid. And when the oxides of nitrogen, it comes with the contact with water vapor and then form nitric acid and nitrous acid. Okay, so these are the cause of formation of acid rain. Now the formation of acid rain by burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means like coal, petrol and diesel, and we know in the coal and petrol, diesel, there are the compounds of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and sulfur, and some oxygens are there. So when sulfur release, then react with oxygen in atmosphere and form sulfur dioxide. Okay, sulfur S plus O2 and form SO2. This sulfur dioxide reacts with water vapor in atmosphere, then it forms sulfurous acid. The equation is here, SO2 plus H2O and form sulfurous acid, that is H2SO3. Now sulfur dioxide can also be oxidized and form SO3. In the presence of oxygen, sulfur dioxide also get oxidized and form SO3, and this SO3 again react with water vapor in the atmosphere and form sulfuric acid. So this is the equation of sulfur trioxide react with water vapor and form sulfuric acid. Another side, the forming of nitric acid and nitrous acid. Here the nitrogen in the air combine with oxygen and form nitrogen monoxide. Okay, so it is N2 plus O2, that is 2NO at high temperature. This high temperature can be achieved by the lightning discharge in the atmosphere or operating in the internal combustion engine in the factories. So here the nitrogen monoxide again react with oxygen and form nitrogen dioxide, and this nitrogen dioxide react with water vapor and form nitric acid and nitrous acid both. Okay, here we can take the reaction NO2 plus H2O, then form HNO2 plus HNO3. Both the acids are formed. If we see only for nitric acid, then nitrogen dioxide, actually in the atmosphere oxygen and water vapor are both are present, so nitrogen dioxide also can react with oxygen and water vapor, then it will form nitric acid also. Okay, there are two types of equation here. You can check. So these are the formation of acid rain, and these types of acids are formed by oxides of sulfur and oxide of nitrogen. Okay. Next, harmful effects of acid rain. So let's check the harmful effects of acid rain here. The increases the acidity of soil and reduce the fertility of the soil. Second is cause respiratory ailments in human beings and animals. Especially animals के लिए ज़्यादा नुकसान होता है, वो डायरेक्ट एसिड रेन वाला पानी पीते हैं और उसकी रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में ख़राब हो सकते हैं. Next, destroys the marine life due to change of pH value of environment. Okay, marble structure and buildings get corroded like Taj Mahal. Okay, all historical places are there, some monuments are there. Okay, so these buildings are get corroded. Okay, so इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पर. होपफुल ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. थैंक यू एवरीवन.